it's Joy and welcome to another one of our fabulous listings. Before we start, I'd like to introduce Louise to you. Louise works with me exclusively in the Ironwood Country Club. She does a marvellous job, very helpful, and she shows our properties and she sells them. So we're very happy with Louise. We'd like to introduce you to this condo. The 2 bedrooms and a den is probably one of the most coveted floor plans in the Ironwood Country Club, and the location is absolutely fabulous. So before we go in, let me take you over here, and I just want to show you, we're going slowly on this so we don't miss anything. So as I was saying, just look at these fabulous views. This patio is made for privacy. It's a wonderful entertainment spot, and if you just look around, you've got fabulous mountain views all the way around this complex. So location and floor plan on this unit, super. Thank you so much. Let's go in and see.